Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Adobe Sign for eSign workflows step by step clearly. Once you're on the home page, look for the Sign In button located at the upper right corner. Click on the Sign In button to proceed. If you already have an Adobe account, enter your credentials to log in. If you don't have an account, locate the Get Started or Sign Up option on the page. Click the Sign Up button to create a new Adobe account. Fill out the required information, including your email address and password. After completing the form, click on the Sign Up or Create Account button. Once your account is set up, log in using your new credentials. After logging in, navigate to the pricing page of Adobe Sign. Review the available subscription plans carefully. Select the plan that best suits your needs by clicking on the corresponding option. You will be directed to a confirmation page to review your selection. Check that the plan details and pricing are correct. Click on the Continue or Next button to proceed to payment. Enter your payment details on the secure checkout page. Double-check all entered information to ensure accuracy. After your payment is processed, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to the Adobe Sign dashboard to access your eSign workflows. Explore the features available to enhance your e-signing experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.